Hello, I'm Jack Simpson, Secretary of the fictional Skull Tester Taupo Club. Let me show you some data input. I first have to log in. My login ID is 199MMM, but I'll put in 199DDD just to show you what happens. Incorrect login ID and password. Click the back arrow of your browser and try again. Okay, 199MMM is correct. And we're in. The scenario is Mary Street was a guest at our luncheon last week, and I'd like to enter her into the database because the information could be useful at a later stage. Let's enter create a new. This is the input screen with all these fields. Milnes can modify these fields to your requirements, and you don't have to use all the fields if you don't want to. There are no compulsory fields. Let's enter in Mary Street. Tab. She was a guest, and I know that the membership category is G, and she was introduced by Helen Clarkson. That's all we need to put in at this stage. The input screens are divided into three just because there are just so many, but this same bar is repeated throughout this page, and you can use any of these at any stage if you wanted to. At this stage we don't want to put any more information about Mary Street, so we'll just save that. Okay, let's go back in and have a look at what we have done. Display all. There are two ways you can find a record. You can either enter in part of the surname here, or else if you know the type code you can just click on the type code. We know it's G, so there she is. If the surname is underlined, you can click on it to edit it. Some more information has come to hand, and this is the good thing about Milnes Membership Manager. As information comes to hand or needs updating, you can go in and enter it, and everyone else who has access can see it. Her position is and she works for and they are and their website is and her partner is let's save that. And there's that information that we have just put in. Another very handy part of this is you can enter notes about a person. There are no notes there at the moment, but let's put some notes in. And it's always a good idea to put your initials and the date. And we'll save that. And there it shows notes. There are notes, view, edit. Let's just have a little look. And there it is. Return, we don't want to, there are no changes. That's fine. At the moment we have her category as a guest, G, but if we want to change that to say prospective member to a P, or we can change that to a P, save, and it now shows that she's a prospective member. You can update the record as information comes to hand so easily. Let's go return to the main menu and log out. this ends this session for data input. Thank you.